Hey guys, this is the 2007 Goldline motor with the 60-inch blades. It's the same as the current Goldline motor, so if you were to order a model 260F-7, which is the 60-inch Goldline, this is exactly what you get. Let's check it out. Low speed. If you were to order a platinum line, which is I think it's model 190A7, you would get this with a sealed motor, sealed canopies, a drain plug in the motor, waterproof enamel, etc., etc. But it'd be the same motor and blades, just dressed up to be waterproof. It's the low speed. Move it up to medium-low. 5.42. Pretty good breeze from it, even though it's not going that fast. It's a gentle breeze, though. It's not like a... Okay, let's go medium-high. We're at 0.57, 0.58. Still at 5.7. Five, 6. And let's go to high. 0.84, 0.83, 0.82, 0.81, 0.80, 0.78, 0.77, 0.76. I think that's where it's staying, is at 0.76. There's definitely a stronger breeze directly under the fan than there is from the 56-inch blades, which is interesting. Wonder why that would be the case. Maybe they're pitched deeper. They certainly aren't to the naked eye. At least to my naked eye. The 60-inch blades definitely move more air. It's interesting because I talked in the previous video about how with the 56-inch blades, the difference with the curved blades was that when I was here a distance away, 15 feet away, I still got a real steady breeze with the 56-inch Goldline, whereas with most of the other fans, especially the straight blade fans, I got kind of intermittent gusts of wind. With the 60-inch blades, what I'm getting, ironically enough, is intermittent gusts of wind, but in between the gusts of wind I'm getting a gentler breeze. Like with the other fans, it'd be gust, nothing, gust, nothing, gust. This is gust, gentle, gust, gentle. I don't know if that makes sense. It definitely does move more air than the 56. Which I guess raises the question, at least for me, why would you buy the 56 then? And the 60-inch is a few dollars more, maybe $5 more, or 10, I can't remember. It's not it's less than 10, it's between $5 and $10 more. And 4 inches difference isn't going to make or break anybody. I mean, it's true with any commercial fan. If the 60-inch does indeed move more, why wouldn't you get a 60? Of course, we've seen in some of these videos that a 60-inch commercial fan doesn't always move more than a 56. Sometimes they don't properly account for the added load on the motor. Let's see how far back I can go and still get a breeze from this thing. I am probably 25 feet away now, and I'm still getting a breeze from 25, maybe a little bit less than 25. I measured 15 feet is about where that, you see that stereo receiver right there, a big black thing. That's where the 15-foot mark is, or right in front of it, actually. Let's see, I'm at least 10 feet from there. There's a lot of obstacles and debris in the way here, too. It's interesting to see. I guess this doesn't count. I've got cross-contamination there from that one. As I started to feel a breeze behind me, and I was, wait, how'd that happen? I still feel something here. This is probably I said the other one was 25, so this would be what, 30 feet? Pretty impressive. I haven't yet decided if I like the proportions of the 60-inch blades. I like that they curve up more. I turned it off, by the way, so it's going to spin down now. I like that they curve up more. I don't know if I like the added length. Excuse me. Where's my water? I don't know if anyone besides ceiling fan aficionados like myself would notice the difference in the appearance of it based on longer blades with the same diameter motor. It's interesting because when the closest thing to a gold line, in a lot of people's opinions, would be the older cast iron leading edge fans. Straight blade, steel bladed fans, but they had good cast iron motors. And their 60-inch, the motor is significantly bigger than the 56-inch. In fact, the blades are the same length, they're just wider. That's very interesting when you figure that this is the same motor. A lot of other companies, we talked about the Conarm and the Contex, and those all using the same motors, but their 60-inch fans are very weak. The stamped 60-inch leading edges move a good deal of air. Of course, we know that we see those fail a lot after a certain number of years of service because a stamped motor and that much current results in a lot of heat that there's no cast iron to dissipate, and so usually the bearings dry up and then the fan motor seizes, and I don't know if the windings fail or not. I've never actually taken one apart that's seized up to see if the windings have made it through. But they're quite often replaced having seized up. Alright, thanks for watching. I'm going to try the 60-inch blades on one more motor.